Now we'll have summary for topic sentence. You will write great topic sentences for body paragraphs. 1. Identifying topic sentences subject. Each subject of topic sentence must be a concept from one of the thesis statements controlling the ideas. 2. Topic sentence subject and objects. The subjects are the sub-ideas from thesis statements. The objects are the names for the examples in the body. 3. Topic sentences object. This is something new. Their objects must be concepts or names that can generalize all examples they represent. You cannot take it from anywhere, from the subjects or from thesis statements. All in all, subjects must be concepts from one of the thesis statements controlling ideas. The objects must be nouns which generalize all examples. This is different. This is something new. You need to use new words from object for the objects to represent the examples.